Hello and welcome to the live demo for our project that is Lorium Principio, which means Advanced Home Automation System. Here we made this project for the industry Texas Instrument Analog Design Competition held in 2014.
Home automation. Home automation is a residential extension of building automation. It is automation of home, housework, or household activities. Home automation may include centralized control of lighting, HVAC, which means heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, appliances, security locks of gates and doors, and other systems to provide improved convenience, comfort, energy, efficiency, and security. Home automation for the elderly and disabled people provide increased quality of life for people who might otherwise require caregivers or institutional care. The popularity of home automation has been increasing greatly in recent years due to much higher affordability and simplicity through smartphone and tablet connectivity. The connectivity concept of Internet of Things has tied it closely with the popularization of home automation with some advancement. Home automation has some advancement, but it has some drawbacks too. First drawback is the cost of the home automation system. They are very expensive as they cost around 1 lakh rupees for a normal home. The second drawback is the reliability. The reliability, a normal person cannot handle it easily due to the lack of use of technology.
Now let us talk about the new architecture which is more reliable than the previous one. Now, suppose there is a website which commands our home and can easily be controlled through a smartphone. Now suppose let's talk about the new architecture of a project. We have made a website connected to the internet. The Wi-Fi router which is placed in our home is also connected to the internet. Now there is a microcontroller which uses IR library to control the basic appliances such as TV, AC, switch, regulator through IR communication.
First, we made a web server using TI CC3200 Launchpad. This CC3200 Launchpad that we use is very efficient and fast as compared to other microcontrollers. As the security is the main concern for the internet connected devices, it has inbuilt encryption techniques and has the latest WPA security passwords. We assign SSIDs and passwords to CC3200 so it can connect to Wi-Fi router, and this module also hosts a website on its IP address. Then this CC3200 microcontroller is connected to Arduino through I2C protocol, and we made a shield which has inbuilt temperature sensor, IR receiver circuits, and transmitter circuits. This is a shield that we have made that has inbuilt I2C protocol circuit, LM35 temperature sensor, IR transmitter circuit, and IR receiver circuit inside it, which can be put on Arduino. And this whole module consists IR library inside inbuilt it. So let us connect this CC3200 module to Wi-Fi. So let us now connect TI CC3200 module to laptop and Wi-Fi. First we press this reset button and this CC3200 is reset. Then we see that on the laptop screen that this CC3200 module is connected to Wi-Fi, which has name SSID Airtel and IP address this, and it also shows the distance of and signal strength of that router. Now there are two LEDs which is on this shield of CC3200. Red LED shows that web server has started on port number 80, and the green LED shows when the client is connected to this module.
This is a IR based fan circuit. It is controlled through a microcontroller known as TI microcontroller MSP430. It is the heart of the circuit. This circuit, it receives the signals, and MSP430 decodes it and passes the signal to the fan. The fan works according to our requirement of the temperature.
Let us now see the dimmer circuit that we have made. First, it has a voltage control circuit that is used MOC 3021 and BT136 to cut AC wave, and here we have zero crossing circuit which tells about when the wave crosses zero. The signal from the zero crossing circuit is then fed to the Arduino module, which senses the zero crossing and fire MOC 3021 according to that. So here we use TI MSP430 Launchpad series, which is extremely low power condition and which works on extremely low power condition, and it receives IR signal that is sent to this IR module and react according to this. IR signal. So let us now see the website that is hosted on TI CC3200 module. This website contains all the appliances like TV, AC, fan, switch and light. When we press a button, then all the process take according to that switch buttons. So let us now start fan. When we click start button on this website, this fan automatically starts. Now let's press the stop button to stop it. As we previously see, the CC3200 module hosted a website that when we click start button on that, it automatically send Arduino to send an IR signal. This IR signal is taken by MSP430 G2553 and it decodes it according to which we have sent an IR signal. Then IR signal is decoded and fan get automatically started through this. So let us now see a light dimmer circuit or a fan dimmer circuit. Here we have an Arduino which is used to fire AC signals, and another microcontroller MSP430 which is used to decode IR signals. Let's now start it. We press the start button, the bulb gets started. We can also control the brightness or control the voltage of this light bulb, like this is become more brighter when we click. We can also stop it by pressing stop button. Let us now control a projector from this website. We gonna show you about this projector, how we control it. First we gonna open a help menu from here TV, in the TV tab. This help menu is opened automatically. We can also close it by pressing the same button. We can also open a menu. For this we can adjust all the aspect ratio, image, brightness of this projector. We can also switch it off by pressing switch off button and the projector is automatically switch off.
Similarly, we can control AC from a website. We thankful our mentor Mrs. Banu Sharma and Mrs. Shivani Malhotra for giving us full support, and we really want to thank you Texas Instruments for giving us opportunity to make the project. Thank you.